How to connect Shopify to Wix. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So basically, we're just going to be using Shopify's e-commerce powerful tools and just add them to our Wix website. So what we're just going to do is the best method to connect it to, which is going to be through buy buttons. So all you need to do is just log into your Shopify admin and go to sales channels, click on that and click on all recommended sales channels. And in here, you should be able to find buy buttons. If not, you can just look it up in the Shopify App Store. It's basically called Shopify buy buttons, which is this one right over here. So make sure you install this real easy and simple. Once you do that, you simply just want to click on create a buy button. And now you can just feel free to create either a buy button for a specific product or an entire collection that you have of different products. So I'm just going to go for one product at this point, but it's completely up to you. Next up, select the product that you want or collection and click on select. So here is going to be basically the design aspect of the button. So you are just going to go ahead and style it to match your Wix's brand colors and so on. So for example, I'm just going to leave it as basic and I'm just going to make the action when people click direct to checkout. Now you can make it so that they add to carts and continue browsing, but they may get carried away. I don't know, whichever one that you think is going to be best, use that. So I'm just going to leave it as direct to checkout. Then you can just feel free to change the styling of the button itself. So you can just go ahead and play around with that as you like. And I'm just going to make the text black and like so. So you can even feel free to change the size of it. And once you're happy with the design aspects and everything, you can just go ahead and go to next on the top right corner. So that's pretty much all we need to do. Now just copy the code from your Shopify and now just go back to your Wix website. So now from Wix, all you need to do really just first locate where you want to add the button. So I'm just going to add it in here because this is just a test. And what I'm going to do is just add elements. Click on that and we simply just want to go ahead and add an embed code option and click on embed HTML. So it's just going to be this little box here. It's not really going to have anything until you actually paste in the code like so and click on update. And now you should actually have the button working for you. And when people click on it, they will basically just be taken to either checkout or add to cart from your Shopify store. And now they can just access your Shopify store immediately. So this is the best way to connect Shopify with Wix, just so it's going to be very seamless and easy to use. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.